I've been asked a lot recently about the announcement that we got a new CEO at Amazon. Jeff Bezos is stepping down and Andy Jassy is taking his place. So I thought I'd do a quick video to talk about that and another cool announcement that's happening at Amazon. Hey, Amazon business owners and soon-to-be Amazon business owners. This is Tim with ALGO Online Retail. I've been asked a lot recently about the announcement that we got a new CEO at Amazon. Jeff Bezos is stepping down and Andy Jassy is taking his place. So I thought I'd do a quick video to talk about that and another cool announcement that's happening at Amazon. By the way, what a great winter day, standing in my backyard, beautiful out. So let me go through this. So Jeff Bezos, CEO of Amazon, founder of Amazon since 1994, stepping down as CEO, and Andy Jassy has taken his place. Now, those of you that are familiar with Amazon, you're very familiar with Andy. He's been around at Amazon since 1997. He went to Harvard, got his MBA from Harvard, and then joined Amazon. So he's been at Amazon almost as long as it's existed. He has been the CEO of a division called AWS, Amazon Web Services. That was actually his idea to create Amazon Web Services. And that division alone is a wonderful chunk of business, bringing in tons of money for Amazon. All right, so how does this affect the day-to-day operation of Amazon? So this is where it's a non-factor. This is not going to affect your selling on Amazon, you as an entrepreneur, as a third-party seller on Amazon, and here's why. Many of us already know that about 5 years ago, Jeff Bezos turned over the day-to-day running of Amazon to Andy and another gentleman. And so they've basically been running the company for 5 years already. So this is no factor at all. If you have already been selling on Amazon, you know that. If you have not yet started on Amazon, now is a great time to get started. So here's the other announcement. Amazon did $126 billion in Q4. 126 billion. They've never reached a quarter over 100 billion, and so they absolutely crushed it. 2020 was a wonderful year at Amazon. 40% increase about in sales on Amazon. So again, if you have not started selling on Amazon and you're an entrepreneur, you want to make money in some type of business of your own, now is the time to look at that. All right, by the way, here's what we do at ALGO. If you've never heard about us before, if you've never seen any of my videos here on YouTube, first of all, subscribe to the page and watch. But here's what I'd love to do. I'd love to teach you the right way to sell on Amazon. There's all these gurus out there talking about what I call high-risk business models for selling on Amazon, like doing your own brand, very difficult, drop shipping, arbitrage. I want to teach you a time-tested, proven business model. If you'd like to join me for a free live webinar, click the link below and get registered, secure your spot. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take 90 minutes to go through step-by-step how to sell on Amazon the right way. And we'll have a question and answer period. So that's why I'm doing it live, so I can take your questions and field them and answer every single one. If you'd like to learn how to do this, click on that link, get registered. I'll see you soon.